Hey, Nino Perez here. I'm going to show you today how you can get free advertising for your home-based business. Okay, and I'm going to have all the links below, and it's using traffic exchanges as getting free credits. Now, if you want to take a shortcut, you can buy credits or you can upgrade. But if you don't want to do that, you can surf for credits. Now, up here, I have Camel Tabs. Now, Camel Tabs you can download for free in the Google Chrome shop. Okay, I would advise you to do that because what you're doing and how you're going to do this is, so I've got all these windows open, but Camel Tabs, I'm only using six traffic exchanges. You can use up to 7, but I like 6 or 5. And with the free version, because it is free, you're allowed to surf, I think, up to 6 sites, which is enough, you know. And then you can go back into the options menu and find out how you want it to surf. You can surf like laterally, or you can surf based on timer. I usually surf based on timer. So as the timer finishes, it goes to the next site. Okay, so if you were going to do this on like without Camel Tabs, you would have to click and then click the next one, and if the timer is not done, you'd have to click to the next one. But with Camel Tabs, I'm going to show you, it goes right to the next site that's available. And it's so easy. You're not clicking tabs, you're not using your 2 fingers, you're using 1 finger basically, and there you go. Okay, so the idea of a traffic exchange is to click on the corresponding icon. It could be an icon, it could be a letter, it could be a color, and this is what we call floating toolbars. So you hit on the toolbar, and it's going to go to the next one. Now these always change because there's cheating devices out there, and a lot of them don't work on this site because these always change, and they change for a reason, because of cheaters. Okay, so you see that there's your timer. The timer's going off. So there's the next one. There's the next one. Okay, there's the next one. Okay, and if you're thinking, oh, am I getting credits? Does this work? I'm going to show you. So we're going to go into the home. We're going to go into advertising. Oh, and by the way, the referral links are usually under promote, or they're under referral toolbox. Okay, so, and then that way you can also maybe put a video together and have people come in and leverage your surfing and credits. So these are my websites. I've got 1,400 credits, and I have all these sites here. Yeah, usually I like to promote 1 site at a time, or 2 sites, and build that network and go on. Okay, and then of course you can buy credits. Okay, you can buy credits. They have a top 10. A top 10 site. So a lot of traffic exchanges basically have the same amount of features, some a little more. I know Clara with Hunger for Hits, she has a lot. There's a lot going on here. This is my Hungry for Hits 10 site. So top 10 sites. So you can promote 10 sites at the same time with 1 referral link. Okay, so you might have seen this around. Okay, what else? You can add banners. You know, so you can add banners. I think I have banners here somewhere. I do have banners. Okay, and you can also, so I have 101 banner ad impressions, or you can use your credits and convert them. So as you surf, you're going to get bonuses. You may even get, like, let me see if I can show you some bonuses where I know a lot. So there you go. Thank you for surfing. You did it. I got another bonus. I surfed 125 pages today. Claim your prize. Sometimes it's a little slow. I apologize for the grayness in the camera. This is an old computer, and the lighting's not the best. There you go. So I won 45 banner impressions. Now I'm going to go into my account. Okay, so I've got that many credits. I had, let me show you, I had, like, yeah, I had like almost 3,000 or 4,000 credits. I just assigned them now, you know. And also too, with Easy Hits for You, you can basically copy a banner, any banner, and upload it to Easy for Hits. Okay, I'll show you how. Either with an HTML code, or sometimes you can do a right click and copy the original link, the banner, we call it the banner file, right? And then the target link where you want it to go, right? So, and then you'll have it on your banners, and then whenever you want to put that on something else, you just do like a right click. There you go, it's going to show it. So you'll do like a right click and copy image address. Okay, and that's going to copy where this is at, being hosted, and it's being hosted at Easy Hits for You. And you can see, wait, does it show that? I don't think it shows that. No, it doesn't show. It doesn't show where it is. No, but it's being hosted on the Easy Hits for You site. So that's a good reason to get Easy Hits for You, and you can create splash pages too. So there's a lot of tools you can use. There's banners. You can use banners. Another thing with this site here, if you log in every day and you surf about 5 or 10 sites, you're going to be put on a contest list where you can, and I've done it many times, get, I think it used to be 5,000 free credits, but now it's 3,000 free credits. And just for logging in and surfing 10 sites. So if you don't want, so what my usual routine is, I will surf Traffic G about 10 times by itself without these, and then I'll shut it down, and because I've already surfed 2, but I think I did it earlier, but we'll do it again. And I'll get my, I don't know, 5 or 10 credits, and we'll see. And then that way I won't have to surf this anymore. But yeah, it puts you in a contest queue, so that way you can get your free credits. And you don't get free credits every day all the time. You'll probably get it like once a month or whatever. But like I said, I surf this about 10 times. That's it. 5 or 10 times to put me in the contest queue. And let me show you, because sometimes I can show you this. Okay, so this. Okay, so I had like lots of credits here. I had another 3,000 credits. Oh, they're all gone now, because Traffic G goes really quick, and Easy Hits for You, the credits burn really fast because there's a lot of people on here. Okay, so there you go. So there's the contest. You just look, you hit, when you log in, you hit surfing, and it's going to take you to this page. Most times it'll take you to this page every single day. You look for your username, and then you click on your username, and it's going to credit your account right away. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to have all the links below. We'll shut this down. I'm going to have all the links below, and this is how you surf really quickly for credits. Maybe do it like an hour a day, if you and if you don't have an hour a day, you can buy credits, and credits are very affordable. And I would buy credits on the exchanges that move very fast, because some exchanges, like, they don't move very fast, and if you're buying like 20,000 credits, you're going to be stuck with them. And if you find that you're stuck with them, you just convert them over to the banners and text ads, and then you can burn through them pretty quick, right? So that's usually what I'll do, because sometimes, like, say a traffic site like Veteran Surf, I'll show you right now. The credits don't move very fast, right? They don't move very fast. But if I had, like, say 300 credits, I'll show you. If I had, I'm going to go to banners. If I had 300 credits, okay, and they're not moving, I could just, where is it? There should be a convert. Yeah, there is. So transfer, wait. I don't know if this site has it. I know this site had it. No, I don't know if, okay, I can't find it right now. But most sites have them where you can convert. Oh, I know which one has it. Hit to hit will have it. Okay, so let me show you the example here. Gonna have to go on to banners. Okay, so here it is right here. Okay, so I think, because I don't have any banners. Let me just add a quick banner here so I can show you what's going on. Going on one of my favorite sites. I better do this quick because I only got 15 minutes on this. Okay, so we're going to take, this is the banner link, okay? This is the banner link, and what were we using before? Oh man, hit to hit, we're using hit to hit. So this is the banner URL. They name it differently. We're going to have the link. You can either double tap that. Control C is for copy, and I'd like to just get rid of that, and Control V, and then we're going to go scale up. Okay, so let me see if this, okay, so here you can do it. Okay, so you can assign credits, right? Okay, and you can assign how many credits you want. So credits to banner, okay, you can do that. Or you can go, this one even has, maybe, you can probably even do it with text banners. Okay, or you can use the impressions. Okay, don't get confused, because the credits are going to come from your credit pool, whereas the impressions come from the impression pool. So if you don't have any, because I don't have any in my impressions, so I would probably convert, if they don't move very fast. Okay, anyway, I'll see you on the other side. I'm going to leave all the links below, and a reminder to download the camel tabs from Google Chrome. Now, this probably won't work very well on your cell phone. I would use a computer. I'm a computer junkie, and I do almost everything on my computer. All right, Nino Prez, and we'll see you on the other side.